Intuitive eating for beginners. The 7 principles of intuitive eating. Intuitive eating is a style of eating where you listen to the innate wisdom of your body, so it can guide you in making healthy food choices. Intuitive eating helps prevent mindless binge eating and also curbs emotional eating. For more information on binge eating and emotional eating, please see my other channel, Stop Binge Eating Now. I left the link below in my description. The principles of intuitive eating are simple and are not restrictive or difficult to follow like normal diets. So here are the 7 principles of intuitive eating. 1. Don't starve yourself. One of the principles of intuitive eating is that you will not drastically cut your calories in a vain attempt to lose weight. This will not only cause food cravings, but you will not feel good about yourself because you're always feeling hungry. Instead, intuitive eating gets you to question the motive of your food consumption. Are you eating because you're hungry? Or do you just want to eat to feel good? Number 2. Understand your hunger. There is a huge difference between eating for sustenance and eating to feel good. People who are chained to emotional eating feel like only food can make them feel better. Intuitive eating gets you to stop and examine your emotions before, during, and after your meals. Did the food satisfy you? Were there feelings of guilt after eating? Is the food beneficial to your health? Once you pay attention to the answers, you'll realize that by eating the wrong foods and snacking unnecessarily, you're doing a disservice to yourself. 3. No dieting, thank you. There are no hard rules with intuitive eating. You do not need to cut your carbs like you would with the Atkins or keto diet. You'll not need to constantly consume fats to achieve ketosis. There's very little inconvenience here. The changes you make to your diet will be done from internalizing your actions and asking yourself if the foods you eat help you or hurt you. With self-reflection, you will be more aware of your food consumption and be naturally inclined to eat in a healthier way. 4. Love your body. Intuitive eating is about health and self-respect and being in control of your life, while having a positive self-image. Unlike other diets which focus on the aesthetics of having a slimmer body, intuitive eating is about eating the right foods which will make you a picture of health. By focusing on correct actions, weight loss becomes a natural consequence rather than the main goal. You will lose weight, but you won't be obsessing and fretting over it. Number 5. Eat for health. Ultimately, the goal of intuitive eating is to guide your thoughts and actions so that you make better food choices. You will consume more plant-based foods and avoid processed and junk foods. 6. Food is not therapy. With intuitive eating, the focus is on providing your body with a clean source of fuel so that you can be healthy and live life to the fullest. The focus is on holistic change from within you. Once you fix what's eating you, you'll automatically watch what you eat. 7. Be kind to yourself. There's no need to beat yourself up if you slip occasionally and give in to food temptations. By being forgiving of yourself, you will be more likely to stay on track and be motivated to correct any mistakes that you've made. If you're looking for a real, long-term solution to eating healthy and finding freedom with food, intuitive eating may just be the answer you've been seeking. Thanks for watching and be well. Thanks for watching. We upload new videos all week long. Please like and share, and don't forget to subscribe.